Good morning, friends and family. Today I made biscuits for freezing. I'm going to show you how we freeze them. I've already got the biscuits done. I've got my parchment paper on my pans. So let's get started. I made two sides of biscuits. I made big ones and I made tea size. So we'll put the big ones on here first. Oops. What we're going to do is we're going to freeze these solid in the freezer for a few hours, and then we'll take them out and we'll put them in a vacuum seal bag. The reason I freeze them first is because if you freeze them while they're not frozen, they'll be flat as a pancake. We want a flat biscuit. Alright, there's my big ones. I'm going to set these over here out of the way. Now I'll do the tea size one. Let me get another piece of parchment paper. I put them on parchment paper because it's easier to get them off when they're frozen. Alright. I made a lot of tea size ones because they're the perfect size for breakfast. Just put some butter or some jelly on, apple butter. Perfect. With biscuits, I decided to do this because the price of biscuits uptown is getting ridiculous. What is it? Grand biscuits are like almost $3 for 10 pop biscuits. Walmart brand is $2, and a bag of biscuits is close to $5, and you only get 20 in those. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to make my own. Screw it. Okay. These will be perfect. These are fun to do. I made these this morning because I didn't want to bore you with all those details. Just use your favorite biscuit recipe. That's all you need to do. And then just freeze them up. So stick them in the freezer here in a minute. Hopefully I made enough space. There we go. Alright, I'm going to go around here to the freezer. Alright, here's my deep freeze. One of them. I've got a big one out in the garage. Okay, stay. Stay. Okay, we're just going to put these in here any way you can. Alright. I'm going to let those freeze. I'm going to let those freeze for maybe 2 or 3 hours. Then we're going to vacuum seal them. So we'll be back then. Bye-bye. Welcome back, everyone. The biscuits have been in the deep freeze overnight, so they're nice and hard. So we'll get going and get them vacuum sealed up and be ready to eat when we need them. Well, not ready to eat, we'll have to bake them first. Anyway, let me get them and we'll be right back. Here they are, ready to go. Alright, now I made two sizes. I made regular ones, regular size ones, and then I made these little tea size ones. I do like the tea size ones. Anyway, I made my bags earlier so we didn't have to be bored watching me make them. What we do, since they're hard, frozen hard, the vacuum seal won't flatten them. Okay, there's 5 people, 8 biscuits, give or take. Alright, what we'll do is vacuum seal that. Left side down. Oops. There we go. Okay. Okay, we got it working. seal. There's one. Sometimes it's vacuum sealer stubborn. Okay, we're going to give that a second to cool off because it will quit sealing here in a second. In the meantime, my husband grilled some chicken yesterday, and we're going to vacuum seal it too. It'll be for our fajitas and stuff that we make. So I'll go ahead and get those in the bag while that's cooling off a little bit. You want me to put all this in one bag? Yeah, I'll put it all in one bag. We can always reseal it. Not that bag though, it's not sealed. Yeah, it's good to have your chicken ready when you want fajitas. So. There we go. All right, let's see that. All right. You gotta make sure the rough side's down on these. Carry all mine are upside down. Let it cool down again. Okay, while it's cooling down, I always write the dates on these so I know when they put them in there. Today's 6/14, 6/15, Thursday, 6/15. Because you always want to use the old first. I don't have any old biscuits in there right now, so if I decide to make some later on, we have to find these, and we'll know. that's the chicken. Alright, hold up. The only bad thing about these things is still overheats. You have to wait. Alright. One left to go. And there it is, all done with it. I got 6 packages of biscuits and 1 package of grilled chicken for my fajitas later on. I'll stick those in the freezer and they will be ready to go when I need them. So you ought to give it a try because it will save you money in the long run. So give it a try, like I said, and thank you for watching and have a great day.